Hi there, beautiful lovers. Welcome to the VLADY channel. Today I want to discuss with you the sandwich technique. What is this? When to use? How to use? Is it difficult or not? This is so simple to apply. So let's discuss and let us start it. The simple sandwich technique is a simple way how you can use your topical treatment without irritation, without any sensitive feelings, because you have some tricks which you can do so simple in your daily life. So what is that? First of all, you're doing your skincare routines like cleansing, toning, moisturizing. After that, you'd wait for 10 to 15 minutes, let your skin to absorb it, and then you apply your topical treatment. It can be gel, foam, cream. So once you applied it after moisturizer, what will give you the protection for skin. Your skin became less sensitive, and in the same time you'll get the effect of the topical treatment. So after that, once you apply your topical treatment, you cover it with a second layer of moisturizer. If you're going outside, you're covering it with sunscreen also. So this treatment will shorten the duration of your therapeutical treatment, it will give you less sensitive feelings, and in the same time you will get your effect which you are targeting from your therapy. So no need to wait 2-3 days until your skin adapts. Sometimes you need to wait weeks, but in this therapy, with this technique, you can go and get your effect much more easier with less effort. But you need to know and keep in the mind that this technique little bit less effective. So you need to have time and to be patient to get the result. Maybe it will take a little bit longer. But it's okay. Once the skin is not irritating, you are more tolerate your treatment. It's much more better and easy for you to be with it. Thank you for your time. Thank you for your attention. Stay tuned. Stay healthy. See you soon.